friends, what's up? Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you what's the price changes occur in the Chainlink cryptocurrency in the last previous 1 hour 2 hour result of Chainlink in the crypto market. So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe button now. If you listen to my voice, so please kindly hit the subscribe button and complete my 3K subscriber. I'm waiting for your subscription. Now let's see what's the price changes occur in the Chainlink in the last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, that's a live price changes occur in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. It's loading, so kindly hit the like button. Oh my god, I'm really sorry. No, it's a good time of Chainlink holders. As you can see here, I'm joking with you. It's really a good news for all Chainlink holders. As you can see here, they are jumping upward. It is a time of Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the market of crypto. As you can see here, the change is also in positive 1.31% change occur in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies, and only in the last 1 hour changes of Chainlink crypto. And the high price of Chainlink crypto is $27.58 is the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. If you want to make money in a cryptocurrency market, so it's a big opportunity. It's a best time to buy a Chainlink cryptocurrencies and invest in a Chainlink cryptocurrencies and make a good amount of money in the Chainlink. Am I right? Please share in the comment box what's your opinion about Chainlink cryptocurrencies. Is it good for investment or not good for investment? Please share your opinion in the comment box. Now let's see what's the price changes occur in the last 2 hours in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the market. As you can see here, the changes as about positive 1.98% occur, which is absolutely a good result of Chainlink in the cryptocurrency market. As we look the chart analysis of Chainlink cryptocurrency, so it's also tell us that it's a good period of Chainlink cryptocurrencies to invest in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies. The high price in the previous 2 hours is also the same as and in 1 hour $27.58 is the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. As you can see, look the current price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies, so it's still as the Chainlink cryptocurrencies going upward. Congratulations to all Chainlink holders. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about Chainlink cryptocurrency.